Oh my god. It's Christmas Eve, guys. I'm gonna get some food. Oh. What's that? I'm gonna go back. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Who's that? Is that Santa? Is that Santa? I gotta go see. Oh, we have to wait for my mom. I need to wait for my owner right now. Hey, you're awake. You should go back to bed. Santa may not bring you any presents. Just saying. Okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep. Oh. Somebody's house. Oh my gosh! Hello? Hey, let's go to bed. I got presents. Yes, of course. Okay, fine. We can have an early Christmas. Go ahead, let's see what you got. Oh my goodness, I got a skateboard. Whoa! Oh, sorry. Woohoo! Oh! You just take the top off. Okay. Here, I'll do it. Oh, jeez, that is screwed on there. Good. Yeah, I know. There. I opened it. Now look inside. What did you get? Okay. Hey, I don't really jump in the present. That's the only time I can get it. I got a teddy bear! Little teddy bear. Oh, what else did I get? Oh, I got a frisbee. That's a big frisbee. I like the frisbee. Okay. Next, I got... Ow! Oopsie. Oh, I got a Moana frisbee. It's like the heart of Dafiti. Dafiti. Oh, Ooh, I got a chewy stick. What else did I get? I got another frisbee. And then last but not least... Oh, I got another chewy stick. Yay! Thank you, Santa. Merry Christmas, little puppy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you, too. Ho, ho, ho. Huh? Hey, I see Santa up there. I see Santa. Yeah, me too. Merry Christmas. Turns out this is the best Christmas there ever was. Yes, I love you. Well, back to sleep. We'll play with the toys in the morning. Okay. Do it close to the toys. Good night. Good night. Alright, I'll clean up this mess here. There. Okay. There. Bye, hamster fans. I hope you have a jolly Christmas just like us. Bye!